Well, hello class. I hope all is well. And here we are in week 6 of our week 7 course. We are now online for this week. All your assignments last week have been laid out to you, and we're physically in class. And going forward to next week, just for absolute clarification, August 19th, 8 a.m. in Taunton is our last week of all work. Everything by then is to be turned in and uploaded with the exception of your final paper. Okay? Right after class, once we end class, you can upload that. That's not a problem. So, what I'd like you to know is something that I think is very interesting, and that is what week 7 talks about. And week 7 talks about ethics, where week 6, the week you're in now, talks about placement. As wrapping up all of the 4 P's: product, price, promotion, and place. All of our marketing efforts mean absolutely nothing unless our target market and the way we communicate and network that target market is sound. That is absolutely essential because your audience has to perceive that what you talked about in your assignments in week 6, translation. How do we translate up or down from our intended message? How do we get that to our target audience? This is what is essential in sound marketing techniques. If your team is together and you understand your demographics, okay, we talked a lot about this in class, about culture, age, um, even orientation as far as gender is concerned. We need to be cognizant of that market, and that has to go through the entire translation of our product or service that we are trying to promote. You can set the groundwork, but your advertising has to be in line with your product promotion and specialization. Remember again that advertising is one component of the marketing cycle or the marketing mix or the marketing plan, the strategy, that SWOTT. It needs to be an integration of all the 4 P's. So, having said that, this week concentrate when you're doing your placement piece on all the other things that you have been working on throughout each week, on your personal projects as you are promoting them through each week. And the course keeps, the school template keeps referring to the wiki. You can call it whatever you want, Word document, but the idea is all of this is in place for week 7 for your papers, for your PowerPoint presentations, which you are going to obviously present next week. So this is the way next week is going to go. You're going to come into class. We're going to talk a little bit about ethics. And then each group is going to get up and put up their PowerPoint presentation, each one of the 4 groups, and each member of the team give a little talk about it. And then we're pretty much done. Have a little closed discussion, upload your paper, and we're good to go. So that's basically it. And again, you guys know how to get me. One administration had contacted me and had said that some thought that the class was going to go beyond next week. It will not. That's why I had kind of toned down on all your assignments for week 6 and week 7. And because of that off week, I made it so that everything worked in and was doable so that we finish on the 19th of August. Okay, I think that's it. Have a great week and see you next week. Bye bye.